はいらっしゃいませ It's absolutely PewDiePie for me. Well, I didn't know him until I was 20 years old. So about 10 years ago, right? My friend back in the day was like, you know PewDiePie, right? And I was like, no? Like, who the f***? And he was like, bitch, quit playing. Then he showed me some videos of PewDiePie. That's how I got kind of obsessed with his videos. He was already kind of famous outside of Japan though. But no Japanese people knew him. Still not so many Japanese people recognize him now though. I remember when I was in Japan 3 years ago, right? I went to onsen with 2 of my Japanese friends, right? And I was like, hold on, do you know PewDiePie is living in Japan right now? With super excited voice. Like, did you know that? And they were like, huh? And I was like, hold on bro, PewDiePie. And they were like, who? This stupid line. And I was like, huh? Like, what's happening? These bitches really don't know pews. Brofist? Bitch lasagna? Are they serious right now? And recently, he's just calmly enjoying his life with his legendary family, right? As much as I love old, more aggressive type of pew, I like this new stuff like bouldering, vlogs type shit, drawings and stuff. So for these reasons, I love watching pews. Who is yours though? Well, let's see Japanese vocabs. In this episode, I say, I didn't know him. In Japanese, we can say,彼のこと知らなかった。About 10 years ago. 約10年前。約 means about. And 10 years ago. 10年前。Bitch, quit playing! もうあんたやめてよ。When you want to say be obsessed with A, you can say A にハマる。So when you're obsessed with something right now, you can say something にハマってる。What the f***? マジかよ。Something type shit. Something みたいな感じ。Thank you so much for watching this one and see you in the next one, man. またね。